I've stayed in a lot of hotels in Bangkok, but this one, the Ambassador Hotel on Sukhumvit Soi 11, genuinely surprised me. Renovated rooms, amazing dining, a pool, gym, city views, all for about $70 a night. Sounds perfect, right? Almost. Because this hotel has one big problem that nobody talks about. And depending on what kind of a traveler you are, it could either be totally fine or completely ruin your stay. Let me show you everything. So, the Ambassador Hotel is one of Bangkok's most iconic hotels. It's been around for decades. It's right on Sukhumvit Soi 11, one of the most popular streets in Bangkok for nightlife, restaurants, and street food. This street alone has more options than most neighborhoods in the city. Location wise, you are just 2 minutes walk from BTS Nana station. So getting around Bangkok, super convenient. You step out of the Bangkok heat, walk in here, and immediately it feels like a proper international hotel. The lobby is spacious, clean, well air conditioned. There's a sitting area if you arrive early and need to wait for check-in. The reception staff greeted me right away, very professional. Check-in was smooth, took maybe 5 minutes, and the keycard in hand. Now let me show you what $70 a night actually gets you. Alright, so this is the Sky Wing corridor. Already you can tell this has been recently renovated. Modern, clean, good lighting. Okay, let's see what we have got. Now honestly, I was not expecting this. For $70 a night in Sukhumvit, one of the most expensive areas in Bangkok, you would expect something decent. But this feels like $170 or $200 hotel. Look at this view, the Bangkok skyline right from your window. At night, when all the lights come on, this is genuinely beautiful. You'll sit here with a coffee and stare. The room is spacious. There's actually walking space around the bed. It doesn't feel cramped like so many Bangkok hotels at this price. You've got a proper work desk if you need it, a mini fridge, fast Wi-Fi, air conditioning that actually works. And trust me, in Bangkok's heat, that's not something to take for granted. So look, the Skywing renovation, they did not cut corners. This genuinely feels like a premium room. But I said Skywing specifically. Remember this word. It's gonna matter a lot in a few minutes. Now beyond the room, this hotel packs in way more than you would expect. First, the swimming pool. After a long day walking around Bangkok in 35 degrees heat, having a pool to come back to is a luxury. It's clean, well maintained, and there are loungers to relax. Most mid-range hotels in Sukhumvit either don't have a pool or have a tiny one that feels like a bathtub. This is proper pool. Next, the fitness center. And this is not a sad corner with 2 dumbbells. This is a legit gym. Modern equipment. Enough space to actually work out properly. If you're someone who doesn't want to skip training while traveling, you'll be happy here. But here's the real highlight for me, the dining. They've got a Chinese restaurant inside the hotel. And it serves seriously good food. I'm talking authentic Chinese cuisine. And not the usual hotel restaurant version. Properly good. The kind of place you would come to even if you weren't staying here. They've also got options for sushi and a cafe for your morning coffee and quick bites. And I have to mention the staff. Genuinely warm, helpful, always smiling. Check-in was smooth. They helped me with directions, recommended places nearby. Small things, but after a long flight, it makes a huge difference. So at this point, I'm thinking this might be one of the best value hotels I have stayed in Bangkok. $70 a night for all of this. That's a $200 experience at less than half the price. And then I discovered the problem. Okay, here is it. The Ambassador Hotel is basically two hotels in one building. There's the Sky Wing, which is everything I just showed you. Renovated, modern, beautiful. And then there's the Old Square Wing. Same hotel name, same booking page, same price on many websites, but a completely different experience. If you book through a third-party site and you're not careful about selecting Sky Wing specifically, you could end up in the Old Wing. And let me be honest, the Old Wing has not been renovated. The rooms are dated. The furniture is old. It feels like a different hotel entirely. I've seen reviews from travelers who booked Ambassador Hotel Bangkok, paid $70, expecting what I just showed you, and they ended up in the Old Wing. They were not happy. So here's my tip. And remember this. When you book, make sure your reservation specifically says Sky Wing. The price difference between Old Tower and Sky Wing can be as little as $10 or $20. But the experience difference? Massive. Don't make this mistake. Second thing, Sukhumvit Soi 11 is loud at night. Bars, clubs, tuk-tuks. If your room faces the street, you will hear it. Ask for a higher floor, city view side, when you check in. That one simple request can save your entire night's sleep. These are not deal breakers. But if nobody tells you this before you book, and you show up expecting the Sky Wing and get the Old Tower, your trip starts on a bad note. And I don't want that for you. Alright, so here's my final verdict on the Ambassador Hotel Bangkok. If you book the Sky Wing specifically, this is an 8 out of 10 for me. At $70 a night, you're getting a renovated room, Bangkok skyline views, great dining, a proper pool and gym, friendly staff, and one of the best locations in the city. Hotels offering this same experience in Sukhumvit charge about $150 to $200 easily. For couples, absolutely yes. The room feels premium. The restaurants are perfect for dinner dates, and Soi 11 has plenty to explore together. 8.5 out of 10. Solo travelers, strong choice. The BTS Nana location makes it easy to get everywhere in Bangkok. 9 out of 10. Families with kids, this is where I would hesitate. Soi 11 is a nightlife street, and the hotel doesn't really have a kids area or a family vibe. 5 out of 10 for family. But the bottom line, for the price and the location, the Ambassador Hotel Sky Wing is one of the best value stays in Bangkok right now. You're getting a $200 experience for $70. Just make sure you book the right wing. If you're planning a Bangkok trip, I have reviewed hotels at every budget, from $30 to $150 a night. I'll link my favorites in the description so you can find the perfect one. And if there's a specific Bangkok hotel you want me to review next, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.